Ready? Give it a Let's get to it. What's up, YouTube? I'm Michael, and behind the camera, that camera back there is Ellie. Welcome to the Bill Paying Hobbyists. This week we are doing an unboxing, review, and assembly. Ellie wanted a bed for our spare room because we're going to be adults, and you know, when family wants to come visit, they need somewhere to sleep. So she found this Murphy bed. It's a Murphy cabinet bed, and it should fit perfectly in this small space we have for a room. Yes. So the first thing we're gonna do is get it unboxed. We'll go over the instructions and see what it says. Make sure all of the parts are not damaged because it is wood. And it came on a carrier. Nice big pallet that I can use for projects later. It's a big pallet, nice and thick wood. And then we will go into the instructions and start assembly. All right, so it came in 3 boxes. And this first one is the memory foam mattress. It comes with a 6-inch like foldable memory foam mattress, so it folds up into the cabinet, which is kind of cool. I don't need to open that yet. I'm gonna wait for last. I thought the other boxes might have been numbered so you could know, let's open this box first, and then you get it together and then do the next one. But it's not labeled that way. So I'm gonna get the mattress out of the way, and then I'm just gonna put this down on the floor and get it opened up and taken apart. This bed is heavy, so don't think that you're gonna be moving it around a lot by yourself.
We had furniture rollers.
We had furniture rollers. You can tip it on your own to, like, I'm gonna lay this box flat down so I can open it, but you're not carrying it around the house without help. Okay, so you saw the parts that we have, and you got the instructions, a little bit here. It took us just under an hour to get everything unboxed and get the boxes out of the house, and Ellie cleaned up and vacuumed. And the puppy's gonna play now, right here where I'm getting ready to assemble it. So I'm gonna get the parts out of my way, put the base, this part where it's gonna sit, and start putting it together. The instructions say you only need a screwdriver. Philip said this one may be too long. I may have to go get my shorter one, but we'll find out as we go. So let me get my. We're gonna time it. I'm gonna get my parts out of the way, and then we'll go from there. All right, so we got it all set up, and without the mattress, it took an hour and 4 minutes, and then included time for her to move the camera around and get good shots for you. Couple things, they could have made the little handles a little different with some longer screws. They were a little tight. The next thing we need to do is get the mattress put in here, so I'm gonna open it all up, put the mattress in. You can't help me with that, Bubba, you don't have thumbs. And then we're gonna lay the mattress out, because it's gonna need 3 or 4 days to decompress from being vacuum sealed in the bag. I'll show you that in a second. And then once that's done, we'll hit up the manufacturer and talk to them about a couple of the things that are messed up. And oh, look at that, the lines don't match. Huh. So dollar doesn't mean what it used to. So we'll do that. And then, yeah, we'll let you know what they say. All right, so we got the mattress out of the box. And now my goal is to open this up and roll it out without cutting the mattress. And then we'll let it sit. So now we got to let this fluff 3 to 4 days, and from there we'll go over all the other stuff and see where we lie and give you our honest opinion. And we'll also get a hold of the manufacturer on some of the things that we found when we were unboxing it, and let you know what they say about those parts that were damaged. So for the most part, it looks pretty good. We'll see how comfortable this is. So we got the bed together. We waited about 3 days, checked the mattress. It didn't decompress all the way. We did call the manufacturer, and they wanted pictures, so we sent them pictures. Actually, check that. I called the manufacturer, and they were so busy, they recommended that you email them. And if you get this brand, make sure you email them, because they responded instantly. I mean, within like not even 30 minutes, which was really cool. Sent them pictures of the damage, and they said they would get back to us and let us know what they were going to replace. And then they came back and gave me a reference number and said that we needed to contact Amazon and give them the reference number. So we contacted Amazon to give them the reference number, and that reference number actually warranted us getting an entire new bed. And I didn't want to do that because we have to ship this one back, and I've already got it put together.
And we got rid of the boxes.
And the boxes are gone and everything else. So they said the other alternative was they were going to give us a discount. Originally, the discount was only like 20%, 25%. And after talking to them a little bit, we ended up with about a 40% discount, which was a lot, because it actually it gives us enough money to buy a different mattress if we want to replace this one. I've laid on it, and it's very comfortable. We put a 2-inch topper on it. It's just a 2-inch pillow topper, quilted pillow topper.
Kind of protect the mattress.
To help protect the mattress and to give it a nice soft cushion on top. And the 6-inch memory foam is pretty stout. It's comfortable. We threw in a bunch of extra pillows, and there you have it. So it's a nice piece of furniture. It is all wood, which is really good. They need to do a little bit better job of packing it up. I think they could do better, so that it doesn't rub the pieces and crack pieces.
Yeah, you can see
So-
the crack from over here.
So yes, you can see that crack over there. If I can find a finish, maybe I can replace this board at one point and we can fix it and, you know, be done with it. It's not structurally a problem. It's fine. It's together fine. And again, it's not a bad little bed.
I think my biggest complaint is that the foot.
Yeah, the foot piece.
Damaged, and they obviously knew it because they colored it to the match
Right.
stain.
Yeah.
That
So
sucks.
instead of just fixing that little piece at the factory, they just, you know,
Sent it up.
assembly line just did it that way. So now we're gonna fold it all back up, and I guess the nose off because it's white. Pup. We're gonna see how much we have to break it down to fold it back up and put it away.
How many stars would you give it?
Stars. Right now, 4. Customer service was really good, so I'll give it 4 right now. We'll have to check again after it's been used a little bit and see where it goes from there. So I'm hoping that we don't have to break it down too much, like take the covers off and all that. We may have to take the comforter off, but hopefully the sheets don't have to come off to fold everything up, but we'll find out. So there you have it. Hope it helps you out. So there you have it. If you're gonna buy one, I hope this helped you out. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, give us a share. We'll see you next week. We love you.